Alright, we are in London, England, and as you can see, a football match is happening right now. We're here for the Schoolism Live London workshop. I'm here with Robert Valley, Crash McCreery, Andrea Blasich, Kay's here of course, Arthur Fong, and Cody Gramstad. He's here as well. So now we're off to dinner. We just finished day one. It's been amazing, but it's been just running around all day, so didn't really get any filming until now. But the fun's just about to start. Alright, so dinner was awesome, but this is even more awesome. I got the Schoolism gang right here. We're just doing a little drinking and drawing. It's great. Look at all these sketchbooks. That's what it's all about, right? It's all about drinking, fun, and just hang out.
Woke up nice and early this morning after a nice long night out with this buddy right here. Just in time to
wait for a train.
Wait for a train, exactly. It's a bank holiday today. They keep telling me a bank holiday, but everything is kind of slowed down. But not us, not us. So see you soon, Schoolism London. Day 2, it's gonna be great. A couple people already arrived, hey! So everything's getting set up right now. And Andrea Blasich was kind enough to bring some of his amazing sculptures. So Crash's first part of his presentation is awesome. Now he's gonna try something new that he's never ever done before, which is some live drawing and a wheel of death. Nice. So, Crash, what'd you think of Crash's presentation, Andrea?
It was great.
It was great?
The guy's good. The guy's a pro.
Well, you're up next, and
jeez, no pressure, no pressure. Everybody's here.
Yeah, he's going to do great. I've seen Andrea's presentation before, and so it's fantastic.
And that's the Schoolism workshop. It was awesome, had a great time. Hope everybody else did. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button somewhere and then hit the notification button. That way you will get instant notification the next time I put up a new video.